Hello everyone and welcome to a new semester. This is your instructor, Mr. Greg. First, before we get started with this class, I'd like to give you a quick tip on how to get to your Canvas. First, you're going to be on Google Chrome. That's what search engine I use. You're going to type in Canvas RSCCD, Rancho Santiago Community College District. Find your Canvas RCCD, and then it will take you to Canvas Instructor. Click on that, and there you have it, your dashboard. Your dashboard will look like this. We'll have a whole bunch of classes in here. Whatever classes you're taking, click on your classes and whatever class you have. I will submit my next video, which will be how to navigate through Canvas. Hope you're having a great day. I'll see you online and in class. Talk to you soon.